Yes, guys, we're still live here on MX24. Of course, this is Plus 233 Chat. We talk everything music, the industry, getting Ghana to that next place for us artists, presenters, DJs, MCs, comedians, influencers. Once you're in this basket, you know, we're trying to get you guys to that next place. Now, every single week, we have amazing guests. We have our unsung stars. If you watch from the beginning, if you missed a lot. We had Zakia. She's going to join me a bit. We're going to talk some more in depth. But as the show goes on, we have more artists. We talk to them about their music and everything else they've been up to, because, you know, since it's been the lockdown, we haven't had to see our artists as much as we want to. Now, I didn't mention his name. If you follow me on social media or MX24, you're going to see what I'm talking about. We have Article Wan in the studio today. How you doing, man?
I'm great.
Long good.
Time,
This is
long
social
time.
distancing, so we have to you have to stay on course when it comes to that. But Article Wan, it's been a while. I mean, since me and you spoke because of lockdown, how have you been, man? How have you been?
Charlie, what you go do? You can't do anything than
Yeah.
to stay home, work underground.
Yeah.
You know, COVID is everywhere right now. So,
Yeah.
Charlie, if I just stay home,
True.
stay calm,
True.
keep working. If you have something to do, if you don't have anything to do, Charlie, just do what you did.
The thing is, you have been working, which we're going to be talking about. You have some content coming out. But like I said, you're looking good. I mean, you're all blacked out. Your hair is long.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, like life is treating you good, man. So what we're going to do today is how the music industry has been treating you so far. I mean, your fan base, since you came out. How many years has it been officially now?
I would say 4 to 5 years now.
And that's no joke. I mean, in any industry, how has it been 5 years doing music?
Charlie,
Professional.
not easy, but Charlie, how you could talk
Yeah.
you know, the hard work and the fans keep us going.
Yeah.
And that's the main reason why we are here now. Yeah.
Why haven't you given up though? Is it because of these
Give
fans?
up?
Yeah. Because
Give
a
up.
lot of people give up along the way.
You know, me, I've been a music lover from birth. Like, as I drop now, then so I don't go feel stop music. You know,
Yeah.
without music, I don't feel leave.
Yeah.
Trust me, without music, shall I don't feel leave.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'll even give up. If
True.
I stop writing music or composing, I'll do something. I'll be in the industry, maybe producing for artists or, you know, something entertainment. But entertainment will never stop on my side.
Nice one, nice one. You're an entertainer through and through.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about financially, right? We see a lot of artists, and it's not necessarily by even complaining, it's what we're going through as artists, you know. So we make money from performances, online and stuff. It seems like you've managed your financials very well in terms of your music videos are very high quality, your sound quality. How have you been able to manage your finances so well? I mean, not specifically, but so well generally as an artist.
You know, music has been the career I chose, and then I have nothing to do than to properly do it, whether money is coming from somewhere or not. Whatever I get, I make sure I push into the music because that's what I want to do. I chose the career didn't choose me.
Nice.
You understand?
Yeah.
So yeah, so me, I direct my everything into the music.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I like what you're saying. I mean, the whole thing is the
Yeah,
music.
direct.
Nice,
Because
man.
music, as I blow with music, I've gotten a lot of chances, opportunities and stuff, traveling outside, in and out, and, you know.
Yeah.
So when I don't push more in the music, trust me, over the bar.
Nice one, man. So you have some projects coming up, which we're going to be also getting into. But let's talk a bit about social media. Would you say social media has helped you more as an artist, or it has been difficult being out there? Because with our job, right, I always say we've put ourselves out there to be criticized. Whether you like it or not, people are going to... How has social media treated you, and how do you handle social media, the negativity and the positivity?
I'll say social media has really, really helped me. Because when I started the music thing, my very first song, which is Solo, I put it online.
Yeah.
I remember on Facebook. I didn't send it to you, but you have it.
Yeah, I do. True.
You know?
Yeah.
It's everywhere now, Charlie. Social media has really helped us. Trust me. The negative part there, how we even talk about?
Because, I mean, it's a lot. Someone can just... And I'm sure people move to you for unnecessary reasons, you know, in your comments.
So it's up to you. It's your choice. When they move to you for unnecessary reasons and then you feel there is no need for you to get back to them or tell them the right thing to do, you just tell them. Oh, I get a lot of messages like DMs. Oh, Super, I want you to feature on my song. And then I'll be like, okay, yeah, send the song. Let me listen to the song. I listen to the song. It doesn't really vibe with me, I'll tell you, Charlie, it's not vibing. You
Straightforward.
go, yeah, no, I have to tell you. I have to be honest. Go back, go do something where you go vibe. Because, Charlie, promotion starts from your song, the content you have. When you have a good content, when you drop it, you don't have to force to promote it. It will move. So when you have something that will push the music thing, I don't mind being there. I'll jump on it. Let's shoot a video. Let's push it.
Yeah.
It's going to blow.
Good products sell themselves.
Yeah, man.
But in terms of that, have you also publicly responded to people who attack you for no reason? Because
no, relax. You said what?
Publicly
attack me for no reason.
For no reason.
Simple.
Nice one. But what's your social media though? For those who are watching right now, where can we find you?
Article Wan on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere. ArticleWani. So it sounds like Article Wani on all platforms.
Nice one. So guys, just in case, we're going to put that out again, but just in case those who want to find you on social media, that's how you find them. Now, we've been talking about anonymous people who attack you on social media. Now, what do you think about beefs, so to speak, between people who are already out there? Let's be honest, celebrities. Now we see it going on. People attack each other. People respond to being attacked. What do you think about that? Do you think it's becoming too much? People are doing it too much for clout, per se?
As in those attacking...
Yeah, celebrities attacking each other on social media.
Celebrities attacking each other. Oh, for that one, you know, it comes in two things, in two ways. I would say sometimes it's showbiz. So sometimes we plan it.
Have you ever planned?
Never.
Okay.
Oh, never. It's true. You know, we just have to wise up. Like sometimes you need to plan some things to get the music going. You know, we know our people and we know social media, what they want to respond to. You can even have a good product. You bring it out, nobody want to mind. So I'm like, hey, Jason, what's up? Are you the last time I see you if I call? You don't mind me. Oh, super, you sure? Master, you don't talk to me. Then I release a song. Make you not talk to me. Make you not talk to me. You know, people are going to respond to it, but behind us, me and you days on one side, we chop some fufu. You understand? Yeah. And then I feel some people also attack artists because they want to be famous. Me, I see a lot of messages on my, like comments under my posts sometimes, and then I don't even mind. Because I can read where you're coming from. Somebody is coming from a point that the person wants to get your attention to do something. And then even look at the person.
Yeah.
He or she doesn't deserve it, so I won't respond.
Yeah. Because the thing is, a lot of fans who watch, say, artists or people who are famous need to find avenues to stay relevant or mainstream. So that's why this conversation keeps on coming up. So, I mean, not too long ago, we had an issue with Patapa. How are you guys doing?
What do you say?
You had an issue.
With who?
With Patapa. How's that going? Because, I mean, sometimes these beefs can be mended.
Yeah, but I have no issue with Patapa.
So what happened?
What I know,
yeah,
I have no issue with Patapa. I'm cool with Patapa, but I don't know whether he has issue with me.
So in the future, we're going to get music with you and him again?
Oh, maybe. You can't tell, so I'll say maybe. Yeah.
Because the thing is, you know, in every rumor, there's a little bit of, yeah, that's true. It's an people and it seems like you responded a bit. One thing I know about you and I really like about you, you're a very straightforward person. Since I've known you, I mean, we've had interviews way back, we've always spoken. So that's why I know that little issue, there must have been something wrong.
Oh, but me, I don't have any issue with Patapa.
Have you ever had an issue with somebody who is out there, a celebrity?
Not really. I don't even remember. You know me, I'm not that beef type.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean I'm too cool to the extent that you can bring your thing. When you bring your stuffs, I'll fire you straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It seems like you also have a very level head when it comes to being humble. I mean, in person, you're a very nice person. Like I said, you're very honest. How do you also stay level-headed, apart from social media and celebrities beefing? How do you stay in your zone, in your place, very level-headed when it comes to
music? I'm surrounded with very educated people, guys on the street. Like, I'm 360. I'm everywhere. So I learn everywhere I go. Like, when I'm on the street, I pick vibes from the street. I listen to the street, how the street works, the people I work with, the very intelligent ones too. I listen to them. So, all these things shape me. Yeah. You understand?
Yeah.
Like, all these things shape me.
Yeah, and one thing you also said that I really like is the fact that you're very interactive with your fans.
You have to.
Why do you also think it's very important, apart from the fact that you stay close to your fans, to have that connection with your fans, whether it is on social media, in person, instead of showboating or going to that place where you're difficult to reach? Why do you think it's also very necessary?
Okay, now listen. They are the audience. They are the fans. Now you're doing the music, and they are the listeners as well. Aside yourself, they are the listeners. So when you don't interact with them, sometimes directly, who is going to purchase your song? And then me, my slogan is fund them.
Yeah.
Link up.
Yeah.
So you need to link up with them, like, you know.
Yeah. One thing too is fans are very demanding. Now, I spoke to EL not too long ago, and he was like, you remember one time, or it happens to him regularly, right? He releases a song, and 2 weeks later, they're asking him, when you going to release new music? Is it difficult as an artist, in terms of staying relevant, if you want to focus on the product, to constantly release new music, in terms of feeding the fans with the music? Does that ever concern you as an artist?
You know, it's this thing you're saying is a big thing.
Yeah.
You can drop. I dropped me and Flo Stone, Are You God? And then we shot a video, we put it out there. It was gradually picking up.
Yeah.
And then I had the idea with Patapa's song.
Yeah.
It was within 3 weeks, I had to drop another song with a video.
That's crazy.
And then look at that song, that new song.
Yeah.
It's bigger than the one I dropped before. So sometimes you can't even tell. When the fans are demanding, you know, sometimes the moment also demands, not the fans alone, the moment.
Yeah. Okay.
As an artist, you have to be very creative and take opportunity to do what's going on around you.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I'm a producer, so I can bring a song out.
Yeah.
We're pushing it. When the fans demand another song, I sit down with my team. We think about it. We think about the fans. When it's necessary for us to put another one, we do.
That can be a month later, a week later.
It can be even the next day. If it's necessary.
Yeah.
There's a saying that there be that there be.
Yeah.
Who knows? Maybe the new one you're going to drop is the one going to fire.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, as much as the fans are challenging, right? They also fight for you. They also want you to do your best. Do you think you as an artist, your brand for 5 years, you've been awarded as many times as you should be when it comes to with the content you've put out?
You know, this thing is very huge, as you're saying, because we are a lot as an artist. Right now, I can even say the artists are more than the fans. You know, I'm working, Jason, you are working, somebody's working, we are all working. So, and let's say we have like 10 awards, and we, the artists, are like 100. Definitely 90 is not going to get theirs.
Yeah.
So, that should speak volumes. Meaning, the 90, you need to work extra harder and pray. Me, I believe in time.
Yeah.
It's time and season. You know, I came in 2016 with solo, and my song was everywhere. It was bigger in Ghana.
Yeah, it was the biggest song at the time.
Yeah, Ghana, for a whole big stone boy to jump on it. It should tell you how big the song was. And then awards, no award for me as in popular song of the year or nothing, but I never give up. I came the following year, dropped Jaja Show. It was also big. No award for me. I slashed it. The following year, I came with me and Patapa. You know, I'm a fighter. So I don't look at the awards. It's nice to get plaques because that's the only thing that's going to show your hard work. As in, you not talk much. Okay, this is my work. When you see it, oh, this one is OBT. Article Wan won this.
I mean, I like the fact that you said that you're a fighter. Because
You
ever
have to
since
be.
I've known
You have to be a
you have to
fighter,
be a
trust
fighter.
me.
But at the core, you know, there are other artists who may not be as... One thing about artists is we're very emotional. Because we talk about our life, we talk about people's lives. It's perspective. At the core, do you think something should be done about these issues? And do you get pained a little bit as an artist?
Oh, come on, you are human.
Yeah.
And we are different people. The way I am going to take my situation is different from the way you are going to attack yours. Maybe something will happen to me in the industry. I'm supposed to be, like they're supposed to award me on something, and then I don't get it. I'll swallow it, put hard work, push to the next level. Maybe you are going to take it personal, start firing fans. Maybe it's going to work for you because the moment you start firing, you start getting new fans out there. You know, this question is a big one.
It is.
It's a very big one.
It is.
It might work for me, it might not work for you.
But I want to commend how you handle these issues. You know, it's like you just focus on putting out the music more
you have to.
than responding.
When you listen to the fans too much.
Do you know, one thing I told somebody last week, it's not easy to keep quiet. It might seem like it's easy when things are going on, but it's rather easier to maybe respond to issues. But it's
not easy. Do you know the reason is because when you keep quiet, the issue is everywhere. When you take your phone, the issue is there.
Yeah.
When you're watching TV, the issue is there. When it's about music, when they play it, you are hearing it. So it's not that easy to keep quiet. Trust me. You need to get some heart.
Yeah, but you're doing a good job. What do you think about the upcoming VGMAs, though? I mean, 3 Music Awards is now there. It's like there are multiple platforms for you guys to get awards and for us to get awards.
I'll say congratulations to 3 Music Awards and Ghana Music Awards as well. Actually, they are doing well. They are doing well. Without them, people outside also won't see our work like that because they are platforms. We will do the music, push it, but their platform will extend it. So I'll say, Charlie, big ups to all of them.
Yeah,
they are doing well. Although they didn't give me my award, but they are doing well.
Yeah, this guy is jamming, man. You see, you know the first question I go and play that video? Somebody said, why did you allow the when you said Patapa line in the song?
No, he didn't say Patapa.
What did he say?
He said Atapa.
Atapa?
Yeah.
Oh, so please, we have played the A. He said Atapa.
I can't do that to my brother.
I love this guy. But one thing that's interesting about this music video is usually see people who've been in the game for 10, 15 years. They take up-and-coming artists, put them in the video. We've seen Samini do it, Shatawale do it, Stone Boy, Sarkodie. But you just, and music is a big thing. So 5 years might seem like just, even though it's not just. You're doing that now. Why do you think it was necessary to add these up-and-coming artists and give them that space?
For some time, when you look on the street, Charlie, we've got talent. And then, you know, these guys, they need our help. And then, where can they go to? They can go anywhere. Some of them, that they don't even know how to even approach us. So I feel this is the time for us to approach them directly.
Yeah.
So you know what I did?
Tell me.
I made a beat, did a chorus, and then I did a challenge. And I put it on social media, and then it was everywhere. I think we got like more than 50 entries.
Whoa.
We wanted to choose like 2.
Okay.
But I sat down with my team. I was like, no, Charlie, when we choose 2, then go beat us.
Yeah.
So I think we broke it down to 10, and then the number was big.
Yeah.
So we had to just come down to 6.
Yeah.
And then we selected the best 6. And then we did a song. I invited them to my studio. We recorded everything. The girl from London came away. She's not in Ghana, so she had to record hers.
She had to record. Nice.
Send it. Even the video. We shot the video here. She shot hers there. Merged it up. And then it's boom.
That's crazy, man. Yeah. Congratulations to you just for giving this artist. But what's the meaning of the song? So Echo.
Echo.
What does it
Echo
mean?
means tomorrow.
Okay.
You know, I need to test their power, how they can attack song lyrically, what they can talk about and stuff. So the song talks about don't wait for us to make it before you come to us. Else we will tell you, hey, you know, and then it gave them more vibe to put on the song. Yeah. You know, when you're doing a challenge, you need a topic that will let the artist, a challenging topic.
Yeah.
And this one is a very challenging one.
It is.
And then they nailed it.
It is.
Because I know they've got stuff in them they want to say.
Yeah.
It tallies with where they are coming from.
Where they're coming from,
So
right? But the good thing is you picked them to be on the song. So they nailed it because you believed in them.
Yep.
Yeah, man, Charlie.
Me, I'm an up and coming.
You see, that's the mindset.
Yeah.
If you have this mindset,
trust me.
you're going to stay longer.
So we, the up and coming, did this. Me and them, we.
You and them, nice one. But we have a guest coming through. But quickly, you're going to be going to Jamaica very soon. Tell us about that.
Oh yeah, it's a tour with Logi Travel and Tours.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're going to Jamaica this September. If you want to join, just link up.
Wow. How do they join? DM on Instagram, Twitter?
You can DM me.
Okay.
Or you can link up Logi Travel and Tours on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll brief you more about that.
Cool. You're my brother, so I'm not letting you go just yet. We have another guest coming through because he's been in the game for 5 years. So when we're having these conversations, it's good we have artists like my brother Article Wan around, you know. So we have someone coming through. Check this out. When we get back, we're going to get more into the conversation. Now, thanks guys so much for the messages coming through. I got one from Patricia. What she said is Article Wan is one of the realest artists because he keeps it 100. So Article Wan, that's a compliment to you. But we're going to get right into the conversation. Send us messages, MX24, GH, everywhere. Send me messages at Jason, LA, everyone on social media. I'm going to give my artist his handles out again so you guys can be a part of the conversation. Now, if you're just joining us, I've had Article Wan on the show. He's talked about his music. He's going to be going for a tour in Jamaica, giving upcoming artists the platform. 5 years in the game, so much. Like I said, go on our YouTube and you're going to see everything there. But right now, I have a friend. We haven't seen each other. I'm going to beef with him after this because we haven't seen each other in a while. I have Samuel Amegavi. He works with TMGH Life. He's a blogger. He's very good at what he does. He's got a very huge following. And the reason why I have a blogger and an artist is it seems like there's this issue of artists and bloggers. But what I told them is artists and bloggers have to be the best. They have to be best friends. You know, when you travel, these guys push the content, and also, like, the artists give the bloggers the content, and the bloggers push the content. So it's a two-way street. Let's get straight into the conversation. Samuel,
bro,
we did fight more, but
we go make peace today.
How have you been,
Today,
man?
today,
How have you been?
I've been cool, bro. I've been cool.
You've been doing so well for yourself.
Yeah, just work.
Yeah.
You know, we are in the internet era, and
Yeah.
sometimes to build a brand, you have to like.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about building a brand. People don't know how difficult it is.
Very, very difficult.
Yeah, what
I'm
goes
telling
into
you.
it?
I mean, if you ask Article Wan, he will tell you sometimes it's not easy, but you have to define your niche,
Nice.
what you want to do. That's what where you start from. Maybe I want to be an entertainment blogger. If you want to do blogging, maybe I want to be an entertainment blogger. I want to be a food blogger. I want to be a fashion blogger. But the reason why in Ghana most people do entertainment is because entertainment is loud.
Okay.
That's where like everybody's making noise about. But when you go outside, we have people in politics doing politic blogging. We have people doing fashion and other stuff.
Yeah.
Building a brand is not a joke. First of all, just get what you want to do, and then just keep pushing.
Nice one.
Just keep pushing. Connect with people like Jason.
Yeah, connect. Let's connect.
You know,
let's
we connect for
yeah.
long
Yeah,
time.
it's been
This
a
guy,
long time,
yo,
man. And I told Article the same thing. I'm so proud
Yeah,
of you guys.
yeah.
And it's good to see your brothers do well. Let's push each other.
Each
Now, like I said, this issue between
matter.
bloggers and artists.
matter,
First off,
Yeah.
have you had any issues with maybe an artist?
With Article Wan.
Okay, with Article Wan. Okay, let's do that first, with Article Wan.
I'll fight
I
there.
think.
Who's going to tell us? Who's going to tell Article?
Okay,
Like,
so-
you want
No,
to
make it talk. Make it talk.
Okay.
With Article, the fight was on my old Instagram page, the one that was hacked before the new one I
Yeah.
created. Yeah. So, you know, sometimes you make a post.
Okay.
And the artist, you see, people have a way they interpret stuff that you post out there as a blogger.
Yeah.
I might post something and the caption might sound like it's negative, but actually I'm promoting you. I'm trying to use that caption to promote you or that picture to promote you. Most of the artists don't get it that way. They jump into your DM or they look for your number and the bashing keeps coming.
Okay.
Sometimes they go on Twitter and tweet about it. But what I keep saying is, as an artist, if a blogger does publish bad story about you or write something that you deem that is very bad, I mean, we are siblings. Our father is entertainment. We will fight. Our father is entertainment. The show business is our father. We are siblings. We are living in the same house. So if you feel I've wronged you, just reach out to me. Let me give you a typical example. I had issues with Moisha some time back.
Moisha Budong.
Yeah.
Okay.
She DM'd me. She said I said, no, I'm not taking this thing down. And then she blocked me. We were not talking for some time. And then recently I was there. Her manager called me. TM, oh, your sister, oh, why you fight your sister? You know. So when I went, I asked her, I thought you were having a misunderstanding. She was like, you, TM, I have grown into the game. I have understood that the negative, the good, they all build my brand. You get it?
Okay, so what you're saying is, once it is news and it's out there, it's pushing the brand.
It's pushing the brand.
Article, do you agree with this?
It does. But, you know, there are certain things that an artist also or a brand also doesn't want to see about themselves. Maybe the phrase you put out there, the artist is not comfortable with it. You know, you are causing traffic to make sure it goes, but the artist is also looking at the other side of it. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Because we have how would I even explain this? English, the English word there.
Yeah.
Someone will say this, someone will say that. All means the same thing, but one is heavier than one. How many of the fans understand this? And how many of the fans also understand the other one?
But Article, when we say this, don't you think that job will be restricted? Because imagine if he had to reach out to every single artist or every single story. I mean, one thing you do very well is
you know, my thing is, with Moesha's case like this, did she pay you for that?
No. For
like the post you did it yourself.
No. It wasn't even about her. That was the interest.
Would you like to elaborate what the issue was?
I mean,
no. So me,
I don't want to bring it back.
Yeah,
to me, I think it's not a big deal for Moesha to hit you that hard because it's your phone and your data. So the only thing she can say is, "Oh, bro, Charlie, I don't like this vibe. So how can we correct it? Like, how can we rephrase it? Because the content is also helping you, like, you know. So
exactly.
you can edit it. Let's break it down small.
Article, what's the most annoying thing you've seen about yourself from a renowned blogger? And the reason why I say from a renowned blogger is someone can get credit and just post anything about you.
These days everybody.
So right now,
I'll say
who is a blogger?
Not the blogger. I saw something about myself, not from a blogger, but on a site. I've forgotten the site that I said. Kumi guitar is not good or something. I'm like, hey, now where is this song coming from?
Stories.
Stories.
You know.
But Jason, have you noticed one thing about the whole blogging industry and then the celebrities? Now, most of the negative things celebrities say bloggers post about them, they actually do something regarding that. Let's say you are in your house. Article Wan is here, so let me use my brother. He posts a slave queen or a girl twerking in front of him in his bedroom. If a blogger picks that and writes a story out of it, did the blogger take the girl into your house?
No.
Did the blogger force you to do the video?
No. Yeah.
And don't forget, blogging is opinion. So if I see something and I'm a celebrity blogger, I'm blogging about you, the celebrity. I see something that you've done. I want to write my opinion about it.
Let me ask you this: what makes you a blogger, though? Because of social media.
Ask him, what's me? I'm confused.
You know,
what's blogging?
What is blogging? Because
Okay, so
you can have credit and post anything. Once you get traction, people will say you're a
post.
blogger. What makes you a professional
You see,
blogger?
the funny thing about blogging is that everybody is a blogger.
Yes.
Everybody. Once you can express yourself, generate opinion about certain things, you become a blogger in that field that you're generating opinion about. But what distinct the serious ones from the let me say the lazy ones is the serious ones take it to the next level. Where now some of us run the interviews, some of us do PR stuff for the celebrities, and we take it very serious. But some people, they are just having fun on social media.
I like what you just said, because what I want to do is, do you guys cross-check these stories that come out? Do most bloggers actually cross-check?
For me, I mean, you article normally comes. He knows how I blog. Me, sometimes if I have a story about you, Jason, I'll either reach out to your manager, or me and you were cool. So I reach, yo, bro, this is Ibichu.
That's a detailed researching blogger.
Yeah.
You know, most of the other ones, they see stuff out there, then they just blast it.
Yeah.
You understand? Especially on Twitter. Instagram is a bit safe. Twitter
is where
everybody's safe.
You are not safe on Twitter. You are not.
If your matter goes to Twitter, you are dead. Because everybody is a blogger on Twitter.
Have you ever been stopped by a celebrity from posting a particular story in your career so far?
Oh, plenty.
Especially
those that I reach out to them. You know, sometimes it's not everything we post about these celebrities. And that's the funny, sometimes when we hear the same bloggers are doing this, it's funny because they know we have certain content that we reach out to them. Yo, I just had this from a club, you were doing this. Oh, bro, you know this be too this. You make it just, you know, then we trash it. You understand? We don't post it.
So if I have a blogger here, right, a very renowned blogger and a very renowned artist, and these guys are my brothers, where is the disconnect? And the reason why I'm asking where the disconnect is, obviously, we've seen stuff like Kuji Sheldon and Shatawale. Sheldon has his content, Shatawale is too happy about it. Are these, let me ask you first, right? Article, do you think like artists, now we're just taking advantage of it and attacking artists way too much for the fun of it? Is it getting to that place?
You know,
maybe just for the views or for the likes or for the streams.
Oh no, but you can just have fun on your page to tarnish somebody's image. You know, for that one, it's very bad.
Yeah.
You know, like I said, we have a way of doing it. When you do it too hard and the artist is not too comfortable about it, definitely he or she is going to hit back at you that, no, I don't like this.
Okay.
And the thing too is, everybody has got their own phone and data to do everything, but you should know when you are mentioning somebody's brand.
Yeah.
I'm going to do something, I'm going to post something negative about TMG. think about him. If it's going to sell him,
I do that a lot.
Positively,
I do
fine.
that a lot.
But if it's going to tarnish him, Charlie, why should you?
I do that a lot.
So what about the person who says it's entertainment?
You see,
No, some people are cool with it. Too. Some people are cool with
Some
it.
people,
some people
when they are
even
cool with it,
want you to
fine.
post the negative stuff about them. Because negative, sells
It
faster.
sells,
It trends faster.
So
Like,
when
it
you
just
post
goes
something
like that.
negative about me,
But you, me and you fight where we come back and make peace. So right now,
So-
we'll be brothers.
Samuel, where is the line drawn? I mean, 2 or 3 days ago, we see my brother Medical going at Amiel. Medical is my brother, and I respect Amiel. So sometimes we're in the middle.
You see,
Where is the line drawn?
sometimes that's where you, the blogger, you just have to screen certain things. There are news, you can reach out to the celebrity and ask, Charlie, I just got this. I want to publish it. You guys, you're cool. And there's some news, it's the fact already.
Oh.
Let's say the medical issue you're talking about, it was regarding the whole Rolls Royce
watch,
thing, right? I mean, I cannot go and reach out to medical and say, you post fake Rolls Royce. The reason being that the main page said the Rolls Royce was fake. So, has a stand now.
So you're saying that the Rolex issue, you're saying that Amiel wasn't wrong.
I don't think it was wrong. I mean, seriously, I don't think it was wrong. And certain things, we just have to understand that both negative or positive. And I didn't think Amiel went too hard at medical to tarnish his brand or to tarnish his image. It was something that was happening out there, and he wrote his opinion about it.
Listen, I don't even know.
I understand
I don't even
medical.
know about this issue, but I heard it.
Yeah.
Is it the Rolex?
The Rolex
something?
thing, yeah, that was
So-
trending on Twitter some time ago. I think 2 days ago.
Yeah.
2 days
Yeah.
ago. What was it?
So medical posted a Rolls Royce that he said he bought.
Yeah,
I think,
Rolex.
Yeah, Rolex. Yeah, watch that he said he bought. It was the original one. He quoted the price, and then the site, the page, I think the Rolls Royce, Rolex site posted that. I mean, that was in the original Rolex. They paired it with the original one, and then they gave description that the original one has this one, there's spacing here, and this is just to tell
So it was
people
like,
that
they were talking about
about the whole Rolex,
Okay.
trying to prove that Medical's own was fake.
Okay.
Yeah.
You
let
get it.
me come in here.
And then Amiel just reposted this.
The-
Okay, so that now Article Wan, now you understand the issue.
Yeah, I understand. But with what we watch outside,
Yeah.
when you study the Western world outside, you don't. These contents are not their major contents
Content, yeah.
they push out for the whole world to see.
Yeah.
When something is going wrong, something small is going wrong, because this thing is. People are going to look at medical like, hey, medical,
Yeah,
a
yes,
whole
yes,
medical,
yes,
and
yes,
you're wearing
yes.
a fake.
I mean, he's a human being, right?
I know,
He's gonna-
but and
yeah.
it's choice. I can decide to put on fake stuff. It's my choice. But
You
I think Charlie, there are more content. I mean,
So
I'll
you
come-
feel like we're
Oh, no,
pushing
but-
too much
oh,
negativity?
yes,
That's
it's
your main
very
issue.
But you see, the thing is, over the years, has pushed a lot of positive news about celebrities, the young
so you
ones, the
mean
good
some
ones.
small negative?
I mean, once a while, and this one, it's not like he fabricated it.
Yeah.
It's not as something he sat in his room and cooked. No. It was something that was going on, and he expressed his opinion.
Okay, now listen to this, right? Let's say my brother Medical.
Yeah.
This watch is posted. Now look at these 2 headlines.
Okay.
Medical wears fake Rolex.
Mm-hmm.
Medical attacked for wearing a Rolex or something of the store. A headline can change the whole perspective.
You see your headline? It's perfect.
A headline, right? Do you think,
But-
like he's saying, the
But
negativity is just
our
too
people
much?
they want people to fight. They're going. No, relax. Say the 2 things you said again. Say it.
Medical attacked for wearing a Rolex.
Which is cool.
Okay, or medical
Medical-
attacked for wearing a Rolex, or medical wears fake Rolex.
Where?
You see,
Where?
this is too.
Yeah,
So what was Amel's headline?
a Range Rover driver. What do you mean? What do you mean, fam?
Oh no, we all love
No.
medical. We are jumped to medical song. We all love medical.
So- Yeah.
And I think
Yeah.
is the kind of brand medical built for himself. He built a brand like he's
on money, right?
Yeah,
Running
like
on money.
medical challenge. We all know say
Yeah.
bro is loaded.
Uh-huh.
Michian is here Mejibi. What you say?
Look at me.
What you say? So the thing is, when you build that kind of brand for yourself, imagine Jay-Z wearing a fake Rolex.
Yeah.
Even
I mean, Ace Hood was attacked
exactly.
at the BET Awards. They claimed that.
Once you build certain brand for yourself and people start noticing you that
It's
you
one
are
of those things. That's what I was saying.
you're a big guy in the
Okay.
game. What you wear, we will
Okay,
discuss
so
it.
we've got the
Ghana.
basis-
Ghana,
yeah,
we don't
okay.
even do fashion police.
Hey, down there like Matako come.
Go on. I don't want to mention the site, but it's a popular site in the US. They have a category dedicated for fashion policing. And you should go and see the way they are bashing their
Okay.
celebrities. They
So-
check your Louis Vuitton to see whether it is original.
Samuel.
Okay, me, I'm wearing my Rafarazi.
Oh no, you're a big man now. You're a big man.
Ghanaian branded, of course, pushing the
Original.
African continent.
Oh yeah.
So Samuel,
no, but
should-
Article has been doing that for some time.
yeah, he has, and big ups to you. So what I want to say, Samuel, should we
Yeah.
now say that
Yeah.
as artists,
Yeah.
as presenters, as
Yeah.
DJs, as all of this,
Yeah.
we should say that we have accepted that we are in the public eye.
Okay.
Whatever is said about us, we should keep quiet and just move. Would
No,
you
I
say
mean,
that?
you're also human.
Exactly.
You're also human. So by all means, you'll be forced to come out to say
Yeah,
something.
but Jason, do you know
And
one funny thing?
Yeah.
These things, we cannot control it.
That was the point I was coming
it should
to say.
end
That
it. We cannot control
when it comes to entertainment, when it comes to reporting, opinions, negative news will always come out.
because you
Yeah.
can't get on all the 1,000 bloggers that, hey, everybody,
I mean-
pull off my stuff.
A story I will publish before you tell me to pull it down.
Oh,
a blogger in Nigeria has already
it's
picked it.
trending.
Now just something has already
can't
published
control
and
it.
you're already trending there.
True.
So sometimes
You-
I
you-
feel
you-
the
you-
artists
you-
do
you
sometimes
get-
certain stuff
you
you
should
just
get-
have to ignore.
Okay.
Or you call the right source, the direct source, the first people
Okay.
who blocked it, and you don't speak to them. Oh, I'm not really happy about this. So, you
And we
just
do that
take it
all
off.
the time.
You know,
We
some-
do
I
that
mean, maybe we can have a conference. Now artists 5, bloggers 5. Then we are talking. What we go throw bottles, we throw for you. Article. We have to end the conversation, unfortunately. But I'm going to have you guys on more in the future just to have these
No problem,
conversations.
no problem.
Article, again, where can we find your social media? Tell us about your music. What are you up to, man?
Right now the new song is out there featuring 6 up and coming right from
Lovely song.
Ghana, one from UK. The title is Echo. It's on YouTube. The video is out on YouTube, and then the song is on all
All the streaming
platforms. You know,
platforms.
the handle is ARTICLEWANI. Article Wan on all platforms.
Yeah, man. I mean, his hair is longer now. Is it?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah,
That's
just
number.
kinda-
No.
Who needs can't minerals?
No,
No,
maybe-
because
maybe
maintenance.
because Jamaican too. I said,
Samuel, man,
As for
what can you
me, tmghlive.com on Instagram, tmghlive Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. I mean, I'm everywhere.
Yeah.
I'm everywhere. The website is tmghlive.
Yeah.
and then Charlie, let's not forget this. You know, COVID is real.
Oh yeah.
So Charlie, you need to max up.
Your nose
Me,
marks
Charlie, I
and
max up my Rafarazi. You don't
And
know.
please, the artists should know that we are siblings. Entertainment is our father. We
So
will
should we
fight,
stop
we will
attacking
make
people?
peace. No, I mean, let's fight, let's make peace.
Charlie,
Violence
Charlie,
everywhere.
these things that we talk, we will start a fight. We will come and fight here.
Well,
Yeah,
fight.
yeah.
bloggers,
Remember
Well,
fight
fight.
artists.
No, me, I want you.
The
I get
artist-
Sheldon, I get Shatawale, I get medical.
The
make
artists,
you know
the
what
artists,
it
we
is.
will include the dancehall ones.
It go be rough.
If you bring high life artists,
They go be calm.
They go be council.
No, we won't. You know.
Yeah.
Please,
Yeah.
let's just understand that. Entertainment is our father. We are siblings. Siblings will fight. We will make peace. We will fight again. We will make peace. I mean, it's normal. It's normal. The fact that I'm
I can't
having
wait to
beef-
have you on some more, man.
I mean, let's now I'm ready for you. Let's have conversations.
He's ready, man.
I'm
We're going to
ready
have more
for you.
conversations, guys, every single Saturday at 11 a.m. But we're not done just yet. Again, follow my guys on YouTube, on social media. Please support their brands. TMGH Live, my brother Samuel, Article Wan. Article, I'm getting an album this year very quickly. Maybe. The fans want an album, man.
Maybe.
We need an album.
Maybe.
You need one, right?
Yeah, we
okay,
need
then
a
I have
Nice one. Now, after this, we have our unsung star coming through. We always want to give these artists the space, the platform. She performed at the beginning of the show. And one cool thing is, with these stars, they just might get to do songs and all these things with even bigger stars like Article and stuff. So when you come, give it your best. Send me messages everywhere. So we're going to go for a quick commercial break. As soon as we get back, we're getting some more stuff. just walk there. Yeah, so they'll not see you walking.
Better, yes, yeah. I have some water that I was drinking in there.
So the name is Zakia Kunge.
You actually got it perfectly right, yeah.
I got it right. I've got a lot of messages on social media. Shout out to my brother Samuel and Article Wan. You know, these people we have on these shows, we're going to have them on some more to continue having these conversations. I think with stuff like artists and bloggers, we can't necessarily stop it, but it's all about pushing the right content, even more so than everything else that's out there. You know, some people like negative news. Some people just want the positive news. So we have these conversations to get to that right place. That's what it's all about. You're still tuned into +233 chat. I'm your host, Jason A. Follow me everywhere at JasonE_A. Very, very simple. Follow MX24GH. Be a part of the team. You get to enjoy Kojo Sheldon, Ms. Drew, DJ Veroski, the whole squad, my whole Latin team. I said, and on and on and on. But it's time for our unsung star. Now, she performed at the beginning of the show, Zakia Kunge, amazing artist, amazing voice, and we have them on to now talk to them to see what got them into making music. So let's get right to it. I have the beautiful, voluptuous, the sexy, the talent. You see, I could go on and on, Zakia. I could go.
My good legs.
You see, the thing is, I've not eaten today, so. I got my lightheaded kaka and it's gonna get worse. But anyways, let's talk about you before the music. Who is Zakia?
Who is Zakia? This is the question that somebody has and got in trouble.
Yes.
Means I want trouble, though.
Yes. So let's fight. Who are you?
How dare you? Damn. You don't know who I am? Zakia, I'm a creative artist. And I've always struggled to honestly answer this question because I'm multi-talented. I love to sing. I'm a writer as well. I'm very, I'm a writer as well. I love to model. I love to act. And I love to make money. So I'm a multifaceted creative who's just trying to get her voice out there and then create a platform that would allow people to express themselves, especially those who can express themselves.
Is it difficult juggling these things? Because I do multiple things, but you said modeling, you're into music, you act, you're into the creative arts. I'm sure you produce behind, you write music.
Yeah.
Is it a difficult balancing act?
I think it used to be difficult in the sense that I thought I had to define myself as one thing.
Yeah.
So for the longest time, if you had asked me this last year, I would say, you know what, I'm a singer, full stop. But then, it didn't feel true to me. And then when you come on my social media, there's so much going on. Then I told myself, you know what, you are allowed to be as many people as you want to be. Just about making a schedule for it.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, I've just realized that the essence of all these things is that I have the urge to express myself.
Yeah.
And I say things that mostly other people are not able to say. So I don't want to say I'm the voice of the people, right? Because that's
Maybe you are.
Who knows?
Are you like outspoken?
I'm very outspoken and opinionated, and they've tried to manage that and told me to, don't talk too
Tame it
much,
down.
don't respond to everything. But Charlie,
You're basically like Kanye West.
am I?
Yeah, because you're multi-talented.
Without the dollars, though, but
It's
maybe
gonna
I know
come.
about how old is
a lot
he?
of people watch MX24.
Yeah,
So someone like watching wants to push you, you know?
I'm Charlie.
You're
Yeah,
all
let's,
down, right?
Charlie. hey, yeah.
Nice one. But let's focus on the music a bit.
Sure.
Now, you have an amazing voice. When did you know this is the direction you want to take as a person,
Okay, so my journey with music started quite by accident, right? There's no one in my family that sings. Nobody sings, yes. So when I was in SS, there was something called a Fanta Fan Festival, okay? So, it was a talent competition. I don't even know what possessed me to even think I could sing. And I went to take part, and I won. And it was just like, okay, this is interesting. Then how it happens in school, high school. Another event happens, I go, and then it went on. Then I got a nickname Agri Celine Dion. Then I went to study in Russia. And then, so yeah. So when I was in school there, right, you know
Yeah.
how it is when you're living outside, you have to get a
Yeah.
job on the
Yes,
side.
yes,
And then I had a friend that worked at a cinema. He was like, you know what, I could come sing in the lounge where people are waiting before they
This
go
is
see
in
the
Russia?
movie. Yeah, this in Russia.
Wow.
So I sing in the lounge, another person, oh, come sing in the club. So it's like, but I wasn't serious. I'm like, okay, this is just like easy money. Till it became a relationship I couldn't get out of. Then it came to a point where
Wow.
I would meet random people on the street. They'll be like,
Yeah.
oh, I saw you sing that time, and I really like your voice. And I'm like, you know what? Let's take this seriously. Then I dropped a single last year and a video, and here we are with the superstar himself. By the way, you are so cute.
Thank you.
You are even cute in person.
Yeah, I'm trying to get on your level. It's a lot of work,
You're there already. Even without makeup,
So let's make music together. Maybe.
Is that what you want to
Hopefully.
say?
Yeah, let's make music together. Beautiful music. We're going to do that. I love having women, like speaking to women, because I'm not a woman. And it's always good to get people's perspectives on what they're doing, why they're doing so well, and how they've done so well. I think last week I had a couple of beautiful women. I spoke to Adina. She's got 10 nominations at the VGMAs, the most nominated artist. And it's a beautiful thing to see. But alongside all of it, there's a struggle of getting your music out there, as a woman more so. Have you faced any struggles? And if yes, what have these struggles been?
My life is a struggle, brother. Yes, it's a huge struggle. I'm an independent artist. I didn't mention that. I'm not signed to any label. So,
Wow.
so I have to come up with a plan to get this rolling. I have to find the people to get this rolling. So this is all me and then,
Yeah.
and the people that by God's grace I've been able to attract
Yeah.
through talent or just
Yeah.
by some grace and favor. But so if I don't get out of bed,
Yeah.
this bus doesn't move.
It doesn't happen,
It
right?
doesn't happen. And it's very difficult. It's very difficult
Yeah.
because even for women that have been signed, if you look at all those that have been signed, they've been signed by people that they're either involved with romantically. It
Or sometimes
always.
you hear these kind of stories.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It
later on,
always
right?
goes down that way. Then it becomes as if you're not having something with someone, no one is really interested in you. And I face situations, probably going to get in trouble for saying this, but like where people really love the talent, they really want to help
Yeah.
you, but everyone wants something out of it. And that's fine because life is, transactional.
Give and take, right?
But I wish it would be more professional where, let's put things on paper and be like 50-50, 60-40, however you want to split it. But people want a piece of you because you know what? They feel like I'm going to make you a star. You're going to like this amazing, beautiful girl. Someone else go chop. Someone else go eat. Be me. Like, I feel
a
like
wrong
men
mindset, yeah.
men have that kind of...
Some men.
yeah, I mean, a lot of them where they
Some
feel
men.
like, it's like, I have this mango in my hand. And like his friends will even ask him that, they chop, they eat, like...
That's true.
So it becomes difficult. So the only people who,
Yeah,
as a
yeah.
female artist, you
Yeah.
find the only people who are supporting you are family. And like, shout outs to my family. You guys have been amazing. Where like, if your family doesn't believe in you, dear, you are dead.
It's
Because
even more so difficult.
it's more so difficult. So if family believes in you and you have some, small financial help from that side, it helps. Outside, dear, they will praise you, they will support you, but rarely out of your family will you get somebody who will say, come and take one CD, because they feel like they're not going to get something, especially for the women.
So for that little girl who's watching right now, who's inspired, who's probably in SHS or even younger, how you seem to have a very strong personality. You know what you're about. Like you said, you don't have, you're not signed any contracts, any labels, but your brand is growing so quickly. How do you stay so grounded? How have you been so strong? Is it just your personality? More so, what would you give advice to that little girl?
I would advise any little girl, first of all, I'd advise the parents or the family of that little girl, please, we all criticize girls for like the things they do. I don't want to bring the whole equipping polo thing here. People are posting nudes, people are doing things, and we criticize them. But the conversation should be about the why. You understand? Unless you think somebody is crazy, there is a motivation for every action. So what you are seeing is reactions, right? Why? What are the actions that are causing us to act in the ways you say you don't want us to act? You don't want to dress like this. Come and ask me, why am I dressed like this? Why am I posting
Let's start
news?
a conversation.
Let's start the conversations, and then you'll find out that if I'm not being signed, I'm not getting money. If I post a naked picture, I am going to be viral. So if you don't want, give me that support, then I don't have to do the things you say I shouldn't do. I don't know why it's so simple. We don't get it. So I'm getting goosebumps talking about this.
Yeah.
So if you have little girls and you are a family and the judge and whoever, like, I don't want to be in contempt of court, but support your daughters. Support them from the house. You don't have to give them $10,000 or 10 million. If your daughter wants to do something, go for an education. Make sure that you are a provider in the best way you can, so that she doesn't feel the need to go out on the streets and do things for people to point fingers and send someone's daughter to jail. What for? People have talent. God, I'm really getting, like, this is serious.
Yeah.
People have talent, but people think, oh, somebody just got up one day. Who wants to take off their clothes on social media? Let's think about it.
Yeah.
Who wants to go naked? Really? If I could get all the money I wanted, do you think I would remove my clothes and walk around for everyone to see my womanhood? So ask what pushes a girl to go that far.
It's not an easy thing for women to do.
It's not an easy thing. So let's take care of our girls and our daughters. And for any girl out there who has a dream, I want to say, stay true to yourself. And things will not always come easy, even if you don't get the support I'm talking about ideally, but still believe, because really there are forces in the world we can't see. It's not all physical, right? There is God.
True.
And, there's favor. And I really believe that when you stay true to yourself and true to the cause, the Lord himself is going to move things for you. It's not going to be easy, but you will get there. So never ever feel like you have to give in. Never ever sleep with a man because you want a favor. Please do not. If you feel him and he's hot, you know what I'm saying, you can drop it. But, but really,
it has to be mutual.
It has to be mutual, yes. It doesn't have to be
respect.
because you are selling yourself. So believe in your talent, believe in whatever dream you have, and keep going. And once in a while, you meet amazing people. Like the people that called me for this show. There are people who are just going to reach out and remember you and call you to come
Zakia,
on.
you're amazing.
Thank you.
Like you're really amazing. Like, I think this is the first time. I have seen your music video. I did see some of your songs on your social media. You're amazing, and it breaks my heart that we have to cut the conversation short. But the thing is, us here at MX24 myself, we're going to try as much as possible to push you as an artist. Please bring your music. Do you have any music videos out there?
I do have a music video.
Tell us about that.
It's called Anna Sigin, yes. It's called Anna Sigin, and it's on rotation on YouTube, but I'll bring it as well.
Please.
I will bring it. So Anna Sigin is in Wale, where I'm from, Upper West. Yeah, so it means it will be, it shall be well. It was a motivational song to myself and anyone who's going through life that it's going to be well. And it's amazing. I sang it on top of a G-Wagon with a ponytail that reaches all the way down to the foot of the car.
Oh.
So I really like that. I wanted to feel that strength and that power in myself.
Nice. Where can we find you on social media?
You can find me on all social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Zakia Kunge.
That's your real name, right?
That is my real
Beautiful
name.
name. Beautiful name, beautiful girl, beautiful perspective. And Zakia, thank you so much for coming through. These are the type of conversations I always say this we want to have. These are the people pushing the music. She's not signed to a record label. She's been doing this herself. And I'm so happy MX24 reached out to her. You guys saw the conversation we had. And we're going to keep pushing as much as possible. Please go on YouTube. Check her out, Zakia Kunge. She's on there. Zaakia Kunge. Very, very simple. Please support these artists. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're going to go to her music, but like I always say, MX24GA, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. If you missed today's show, you missed a lot. If you missed today's show, you missed a lot. Shout out to my brothers, Article Wan, Samuel from TMGH Live, my beautiful producer, Roberta, my team, MX24, Line, Camera, everything, my amazing desk. And guys, I always want you to send me messages. These artists, I've got 3 people I'm going to be bringing on as subsequent weeks go on. It's very simple. Go on my comments, go on my Instagram. When you catch me on the street, don't let me go. Send me your music. Let's push this to that next place. And it's a big thing. It's a big thing to see. So thank you guys so much to the fans who always tune in. Before I do leave you guys, there's an amazing company that gave us this beautiful couch, and I have to give them a shout out. They are called Kalira Furniture. Please go there, check out their stuff. Like I said, they gave us this. And once I support something, it's good. I don't just support anything. So that's Kalira right there, furniture and interior. Very beautiful stuff from couches, desks, and everything else. Amazing chairs. And they're really, really doing their thing. They're really, really pushing the brand. And I'm going to push them as far as I can. It's been +233 Live. I love you guys. See you same time next week at 11 a.m. Peace out.